So I just got this Ladiosto sleeveless summer tank top shirt. It's very loose fitting. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It has some elasticity. It's very, very comfortable and it covers my stomach. And you can see the lacing imprint in front. And you can see it's really friendly against the skin. It's an extra, so this extra large, this a plus size clothes. I got mine in a medium, but this goes extra large. And the bust for the extra large is 43, and the bust for the length is 27.75. It's very loose fitting. As you can see, it's very, very stretchy. But the good thing I like is it doesn't show your armpit area. It doesn't show all that stuff. So this is the full length. You can see it covers the belly area and the butt area. It also covers it well. It is recommended to be hand washed only in cold water, and you can also use machine to gently cleanse it. And you can also please hang to dry. This is really, really comfortable, and I love the material because it's so breathable and it feels so nice.